Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicoleta and I'm so glad that you could join me today. After over 20 years of sales across multiple industries, I've learned the incredible power of asking the right strategic questions. Is these carefully crafted questions that take you from a basic sales pitch to a very fruitful dialogue that gets results. The key is using questions that dig deeper into what your customer really wants and needs. When you are able to ask the right questions, you unlock detailed insights to deliver an ideal solution. And today I'll walk you through 5 transformational sales questions, sharing real stories on how each shifted conversations from surface level to getting success. So let's dive in. You are very happy you got your first meeting with this potential customer, and then you can have two beliefs. I've seen people that believe that yes, they will get the order just because they got that first meeting. It's true, it's important, but it doesn't mean that you won the deal. It means that you need to be very sharp. You need to be very clever about the time that you have with your customer and to try to maximize it by placing the right questions at the right time. If you are able to ask open questions to really understand the pain points that your customer has, then you are close to closing the deal and to find the ideal solution for your customer. And that will create a mutual understanding, trust, and commitment. First question is, what challenges are you currently facing in the area of need? Well, this is a very important question. You need to make notes, you need to listen carefully, and please let the customer talk. In a meeting, a customer needs to talk 80 to 90% of his time. I know that is very important for you and you would like him to know what a great product or service or a solution you have, but before you tell him about your solution, you really need to understand what are his needs. This question helps you understand the customer's pain points and challenges. It's an open-ended question that encourages him to share details about their situation, about what he's looking for, and is also allowing you to tailor your solution to their specific needs. The second part is learning from his past. A very good question is, how have you tried to address this issue in the past? This question gives you insight into the customer's previous experiences and attempts to solve their problem. It can reveal what has or hasn't worked for them, and it provides a framework for how your product and service can offer a better solution for him. Then you need to find out what would be his ideal solution. So the third question is, what does the ideal solution look like for you? Asking about the ideal solution helps you understand the customer's expectations and goals. It also sets the stage for you to position your product or service as the solution that meets or exceeds these expectations. The segment number 4 is highlighting urgency. This is important, and the right question would be, what is the impact of not solving this problem? This question helps the customer articulate the urgency and importance of the problem. It brings the consequences of inaction into focus, which can be a powerful motivator for making a decision fast. I recall I had a customer who hadn't considered the full impact of their ongoing issue. If you are able to articulate that to him, and during the questions, and they realize the urgency and how critical it is for them to shift and to change the solution they were currently using with ours, because they will save money. The fifth criteria is decision-making criteria. What are the key factors you will consider when making this decision? I think this question is the most important one, because understanding the customer's decision-making criteria is crucial. This question helps you identify what's the most important to them, if it is the price, if it is the quality, the service, or something else, allowing you to tailor your pitch accordingly. Clarifying these metrics leaves the possibility specifically demonstrate how your role play modules outperform competitors, and you can build the right rapport and empathy with your customer. So, as you saw from these real sales conversations, asking the right strategic questions fuels a needs-based discussion with customers. This unlocks insight you would never gain from a basic product pitch. It makes the difference between a marketing guy that has product features and a real salesperson that is capable of listening, of understanding the pain points, and to address root challenges rather than superficial pain points. The key is listening deeply to responses and continually tailor the dialogue based on what you uncover during his discussion. Master this art of discovery throughout the inquiry. It will transform your sales road, and it will make you a very successful salesperson. If you enjoyed these tips, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know in the comments any go-to strategic sales questions I should cover next time for you. Thanks for watching, and keep the conversation going. And don't forget to unlock your sales potential every time you meet a customer. Take care. Thank you very much for watching, and see you to my next video. Bye.